In this section, we will delve into one of the fundamental pillars of Xerppa's multilevel matrix: the visual levels. When we use the standard Power BI matrices, we encounter an important limitation. We cannot visually differentiate between different elements within the same matrix. All rows and columns follow a homogeneous visual behavior, which can make it difficult to interpret complex or hierarchical data. This is where our multilevel matrix comes into play. This visual object allows you to create multiple visual levels within the same structure, giving you full control over how each data segment is presented. Remember, our matrix is able to interpret an unlimited number of levels. As many as you need and have managed in your model. On a visual level, it is a customization layer that defines not only the appearance of the data, such as colors, fonts, and sizes. It also defines its functionality. For example, we can define a visual level for the operating income, with a white background, blue letters, and a specific font size. In addition, we can maintain the expand and collapse behavior. Then, for operating income or EBITDA, we can apply a completely different visual level, with other colors and styles. We can even remove the expand and collapse button, just for this visual level. Each visual level is independent, allowing different elements within the same matrix to have different visual behavior. The visual levels are managed through an additional column in the dimension of the data model. This specific column indicates to which visual level each record of the dimension belongs. Thanks to this configuration, it is possible to control in detail how each group of data is presented, ensuring that the visualization is consistent with the underlying data model. By keeping the business logic in the data model, we ensure that all visualizations are consistent and reflect the same accurate information, no matter where or how the data is presented. This means, you can export or share your reports on platforms such as Excel, without losing integrity or accuracy. It also allows for greater flexibility and scalability in model maintenance, as any update or change in business logic is automatically applied to all associated visualizations. No need to modify the visual objects individually. With Xerppa's multilevel matrix, flexibility and accuracy in data visualization are within your reach.